going on? So we're out here trying to get a little fishing done today and maybe catch a few. I wanted to talk to you guys about was I went out on the lake one night last week and everything was working fine. Everything was working fine. I plugged, have a cigarette lighter outlet or an old outlet right here. It's like right there. And I went to use it, and it didn't really work. And then I went to crank my boat and trim my motor, and it wouldn't work. I couldn't figure out what it was that night. I kind of piddled around with it, crap, and finally figured I used my trolling motor the rest of the night. I was running noodles and stuff, and we bass fished a little bit, but never thought anything about it. Got home next day, took the cowling off, checked the voltage and all that stuff to my engine, my trim, my starter, and nothing. Well, not nothing, it was 12 volts there, but I didn't think about it until somebody, my father-in-law, told me it was amps. And so I took that into account. He's like, it's probably corrosion, you need to check your battery first. So I checked my battery, and lo and behold, there's a little bit of corrosion. So I used like 180 grit sandpaper and sanded it down, and it's been working fine ever since. Come to think about it, it's something we all should probably do, is maintenance on our batteries every so often. Maybe even get some grease or some spray or something that you can get from the auto parts store to keep it from corroding. Yeah, so also another tip is keep the tools on your boat that you can use to disconnect your battery or what have you. Just keep tools in general on your boat just in case something were to happen. I have a multi-tool, but I need to keep like a few wrenches and stuff in my boat that work for my batteries and other things, like just to fix things in general. I guess that would be my tip for today. So I just caught a fish, or caught 3 fish.